There's only two types of companies in this world, Morgan, those who are great at AI and everybody else. If you don't know AI, you are going to fail. Period, end of story. Whether you are an employee, you're going to have to understand it, how it impacts your job or how you can use it to be better at your job. Same if you're a student, the same thing. And if you're a CEO, you can't just say, okay, I'm going to get my tech guys to understand it and educate me on it. You have to understand it because it will have significant impact on every single thing that you do. There's no avoiding it.
Did you catch that? Mark Cuban, the Shark Tank legend and billionaire investor, just dropped a truth bomb. The future of work is AI, and he's absolutely correct. AI is transforming everything, jobs, businesses, you name it. The question is, are you ready? Now, wait a second. Already feeling lost? It's okay, but the time to upskill is now. That's why I'm hosting live 3-hour workshop every weekend on the future of work is AI. Learn ChatGPT, prompt engineering, and hottest generative AI tools to boost productivity, smash business goals, and get AI upskilled. Don't miss this opportunity. Visit pivotwithai.com to register for the workshop now. Let's pivot with AI.